Richard Radke here with Multiple Funnel and how to unlock 5 income streams. So let me get started and show you this. First of all, you go here to get started. Then it'll show you a video where Matt shows you a video and explains everything about the system. Then you can also see how many links you can get. And each link is attached to a capture page, and there's lots of them. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then you go back into the system again and you see all the different training that's available. First of all, there's weekly training. Then you go back into the system again and you see there's marketing system training, which is really something. If you watch these videos, it shows you exactly how to help you market your stuff. So it's very worthwhile watching that. Then you go back into the thing again, some more training. You get the 7-step step training, which shows you lesson 1. Let's just work on you, which means works on your personality. Then you got lesson 2, which shows you how and where to get traffic. And you got lesson 3, which shows you how to do follow-up. Then you got lesson 4, shows you how to do YouTube ads. Lesson 5 shows you how to advertise on Facebook. Lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this opportunity. And then lesson 7, there's some more bonuses in there that you want to take a look at. Then you exit the training and go back in again. And if you look here, you see all your teams. And if you go here, you see all the leads you get once you start advertising. And each lead has an email, so you can follow up with them, and you definitely should, because most people will not join the first time they see something. They want more information. So that's what I do. I follow up with them, give them more information. The company also follows up with them, but they want to hear from you. Then you got a leaderboard. You see who all the top guys are. Then you got a resources, which is basically samples of follow-up emails you can use. You can use them or you can use your own, whatever. But like I said before, you definitely should follow up. Then you go in there and it shows you all your business. Then you got a bonus income, which is basically number 5. So, okay, I'll show you them later. Then you go back in here and you want to get started. So now I want to explain some of these things here. You go to step 1. I already told you that. Okay, you go there, you start step 1. Now, let's say you want to get started. Step 1, right now, usually it's $97. Right now, they got a special on for $49. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a $20 commission. They also have a yearly plan available, which is $350. It's the plan I took because you don't have to worry about it for a whole year, and you make more commission if you get somebody under that. You make a $200 commission. Then you got step 2 and step 3, which you put your own opportunities in there. And if you don't have any, you can take a look at the ones I got. They're both great opportunities. Then you got step 4, which is traffic authority. They've been in business for over 10 years, so they're a great place to get leads from. And they also do training. Okay, so now let's say, and if you want to do step 2 and step 3, the ones I'm using, they're both under $10, and they're both great opportunities. And I already told you about step 4, traffic authority. Now, and actually, if you go into your bonus, that's another system I use. It's just called Stream 5. I told you there was going to be 5 streams. For $1 a day, you get 100 leads. And at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads. And if you bring somebody in under that, then you get another additional 100 leads. So at the end of the month, you have 6,000 leads. And you also make commission with that. So and it also has its own mailing system that you use, which I do, and I mail them every day. That's all included with that system. So that's an amazing opportunity. It's definitely worthwhile you're taking a look at that one. Okay, let's see. Now, if I want, what else did I want to tell you? I'll go back and start here. Okay, that's maybe just just about all I wanted to tell you. It seems like I'm missing something, but I don't know what. So, anyways, I hope you guys are still having great weather. We're still having great weather here. We have no snow yet. I don't know what it's like where you are, but I hope it's not too bad. And I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So we'll talk to you another time. Bye for now.